Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Terraria server using Linux and DigitalOcean. On screen now and linked in the description are a couple of the guides we use to base this on. First of all, you're going to need to sign up for a DigitalOcean account. Secondly, you may also have to set up your terminal if you're using Windows and have never used the terminal before. We suggest looking into WSL. This video is produced by Code Whatever. Here is a link to our website where you can learn more, get training, and donate. After you've created your DigitalOcean account, you're going to want to create a droplet. Go ahead and pick the region that is closest to you. Ubuntu Basic Regular 0.018 cents an hour. Anything over 2 gigabytes is probably okay though. You'll also need to set up your SSH key. If you've never done this before, you can enter the SSH keygen. That'll generate the public and private keys for you. And then you can run this command to copy that key into this box here. And make sure you run those commands in your terminal. I'm just typing this because I don't want to copy mine here. Give your key a name. This is optional. Your droplet needs a name as well. I just did Terraria server tutorial, and then we want to wait for this to finish loading and then copy the IPv4. Type SSH root at that public IP we just copied. Go ahead and type yes, then we're SSH'd in, and then we need to set up the firewall with 7777, that's Terraria, and then 22, which is the SSH. We go ahead and sudo ufw enable, which enables the firewall. You can check the status if you like. Now I'm grabbing the latest Terraria server link. You can actually do whatever server you want, and in the future, once they update the game, this will have to be a different link. But go ahead and run that sudo apt-get install unzip. Go ahead and hit enter here. Then we run that curl command, and then unzip. Now we're just renaming that folder and giving ourselves permission to run the server. Now we're going to create those files with the touch command. I just like to do them all three at once like this because it's quicker. We also need to edit those files we just created and put these contents into them. Keep in mind that for the server config.txt, there are a lot of other options we can add. So I just do that with the nano command. I use copy paste, but you can type it out. For me, it's Control X, Y, and enter to go ahead and exit and save those. And I'm just going to repeat that process 3 times. Normally we'd be able to drag and drop these folders where they need to be on a computer, but our only option is to interface through the terminal through this or an SCP. And then once you finish that up, we're almost done. We're actually going to launch the server now. And I guess now's a good time to ask you to like and subscribe. Leave any questions. I know I went kind of quick, so don't be afraid to pause the video wherever you need to and look at the guides. That's the server starting, and then we actually have to attach to the screen, which is basically a way for the server to be up all the time without you actually having to be logged in to the terminal. And if you did everything right and typed in your server IP, you should be connected.